Stop translating in your head. Think in English. Hello, my friend. Welcome back. Today, we're going to talk about something very important. Very, very important. How to think in English. How to stop translating in your head. And how to build real confidence when you speak. You know what? Learning English is easy. Yes, I said easy. Just practice and try. That's it. Practice and try. Every single day.
Let me ask you something. When you speak English, do you translate from your language first? Do you think in your language, then change it to English? If yes, don't worry. Many people do this. But today, we will change that. Today, we start thinking in English. Are you ready? Let's go!
Part 1. The translation problem. Okay, let's talk about the problem first. The translation problem. When you translate in your head, what happens? You think slowly. You speak slowly. And sometimes you make mistakes. Why? Because your language and English are different. Very different. For example, maybe in your language, you say the verb first. But in English, we say the subject first, then the verb. So when you translate, it feels wrong. It feels difficult. Also, translating takes time. You think, then translate, then speak. That's 3 steps. 3 steps is too many. We need 1 step. Just think and speak. Think and speak in English. Let them absorb this. So translating is the problem. But what's the solution? How do we stop? Let me tell you. Part 2. Start thinking in English. Here's the secret. Are you ready for the secret? The secret is simple. Use English in your mind. Use English in your daily life. Use English everywhere. Let me give you some examples. Easy examples you can start today. Talk to yourself. Yes, talk to yourself in English. When you wake up, say, "Good morning. Today is a good day." When you make coffee, say, "I'm making coffee. I like coffee." When you feel happy, say, "I feel happy today." Talk to yourself about simple things. What you see, what you do, what you feel. This is very powerful. Very, very powerful. Because you practice English all day. Every day. Try it right now. Look around you. Say what you see. In English. Go ahead. Good job. See? Easy. You can do this anytime, anywhere. Think in simple English. Don't try to think in difficult English. No. Think in simple English. Very simple. If you want water, don't think, "I would like to have some water." No. Just think, "I want water." Simple, easy, fast. If you see a dog, don't think, "There is a canine animal." No, just think, "That's a dog. Nice dog." Simple English. A1, A2 level. This is perfect for thinking in English. Remember, simple is good. Simple is fast. Simple helps you think in English naturally. Change your phone language. This is a great tip. Change your phone to English. Change your computer to English. Change everything to English. When you see messages every day, you learn it. When you see settings every day, you remember it. Your brain starts to think in English automatically. I know, maybe it's difficult at first, but try it for 1 week. Just 1 week. You will be surprised. Your brain will adapt. And you will start thinking in English more and more. Part 3. Build your confidence. Now, let's talk about confidence. Confidence is so important. So, so important. Many students know English. They know grammar. They know words. But they don't speak. Why? Because they're afraid. Afraid of mistakes. Afraid of judgment. But let me tell you something. Mistakes are good. Yes, mistakes are your friends. Every mistake helps you learn. Every mistake makes you better. Native speakers make mistakes too. Yes, it's true. Everyone makes mistakes. So don't worry about mistakes. Just speak. Just try. Here's how to build confidence. Tip 1. Start small. Don't try to have a big conversation on day 1. No, start small, very small. Say hello to someone. Say thank you at the store. Say have a nice day to a neighbor. These are small, easy, but they build confidence. Every small success gives you confidence. Every time you speak, you feel stronger. So start small, then grow bigger and bigger. Tip 2. Practice with yourself first. Before you talk to others, practice with yourself. Look in the mirror. Introduce yourself. Tell your story. Talk about your day. This is safe. No pressure, no judgment, just you and English. Practice the same sentences many times. Then, when you talk to real people, you feel ready. You feel confident. Tip 3. Celebrate small wins. Did you say one sentence today? Great! Celebrate! Did you think in English for 5 minutes? Amazing! Be proud! Don't wait for perfect English to celebrate. Celebrate every step, every little win. This keeps you motivated. This builds confidence day by day.
Part 4. Practice methods that work. Okay, now I'll give you some practice methods. These methods really work, I promise. Method 1. Describe your day. Every night before sleep, describe your day in English, out loud. Speak to yourself. Today, I woke up at 7. I had breakfast. I went to work. I talked to my friend. It was a good day. Simple sentences, easy words. But this practice is gold, pure gold. You review your day and practice English at the same time. Do this every day for 1 month. Your English will improve so much, so much. Method 2. Think about your plans. In the morning, think about your plans. In English, today I will study. I will eat lunch at 12. I will call my sister. I will watch TV. Again, simple, easy, but you're training your brain. Your brain learns to think in English naturally. Method 3. Label things in English. Look around your room, your house. What do you see? Table, chair, window, door, cup, phone, book. Say the names in English. Every day, look at things and say the English word. Your brain will start to connect the object with the English word directly. No translation needed. Method 4. Listen and repeat. Listen to easy English, podcasts, videos, stories. Listen to one sentence. Pause. Repeat it out loud. This helps your pronunciation. This helps your confidence. This helps you think in English. Don't just listen. Repeat. Use your mouth. Use your voice. This is very important. Part 5. The mindset shift. Now, I want to talk about your mindset, your thinking. This is the most important part, really. Many people think, English is difficult. I can't do it. I'm not good enough. Stop. Stop that thinking right now. Change your mindset. Think like this. English is easy. I can learn. I'm getting better every day. Positive thinking creates positive results. This is true for everything in life, especially for learning English. Remember what I said at the beginning? Learning English is easy. Just practice and try. Believe this. Really believe it. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need to know everything. You just need to practice and try. That's all. Every day, you practice a little. Every day, you try something new. And every day, you get better. It's that simple. Part 6. Real Stories of Success. Let me tell you about some students I know. Real stories. Maria from Brazil. She used to translate everything. Speaking English took so long for her. But she started talking to herself every day in English. After 3 months, something changed. She started thinking in English naturally. Now she speaks fast and confident. Ahmed from Egypt. He was so afraid to speak. He knew grammar, but he never talked. Then he started small. He said hello to people. He ordered coffee in English. Little by little, his confidence grew. Now he has conversations easily.
Part 7. Dealing with fear. I know some of you feel afraid to speak, afraid to make mistakes. This is normal. Everyone feels this. But here's the truth. Fear is just a feeling. It's not real danger. You're safe. Nobody will hurt you if you make a mistake in English. What's the worst that can happen? Maybe someone doesn't understand you. So what? You can try again. You can explain. No problem. Most people are kind. Most people want to help. They don't judge you. They respect you for trying. So face your fear. Speak even when they're nervous. The more you do it, the easier it becomes. Fear gets smaller. Confidence gets bigger. You are brave. You are strong. You can do this.
Part 8. Real Stories of Success. Let me tell you about some students I know. Real stories. Maria from Brazil. She used to translate everything. Speaking English took so long for her, but she started talking to herself every day in English. After 3 months, something changed. She started thinking in English naturally. Now she speaks fast and confident. Ahmed from Egypt. He was so afraid to speak. He knew grammar, but he never talked. Then he started small. He said hello to people. He ordered coffee in English. Little by little, his confidence grew. Now he has conversations easily. You can be like Maria. You can be like Ahmed. You just need to start. Start today, right now. Part 9. Your action plan. Okay, my friend, let's make a plan. A simple action plan for you. Day 117. Talk to yourself. Every day, talk to yourself in English. Describe what you see. Describe what you do. Just 10 minutes a day. Day 814. Think about your day. Start thinking about your day in English. Morning plans. Evening review. Simple sentences. Easy words.
Day 15 to 18. Label your world.
Look at things. Say the English names. Make your brain think in English automatically. Day 22-30. Speak with others. Start small conversations. Hello, how are you? Thank you. Build your confidence with real people. That's 30 days, 1 month. If you follow this plan, your English will change. Your thinking will change. Your confidence will grow. Part 10. Remember these important points. Let me repeat some important points. Very important. Point 1. Stop translating. Start thinking in English directly. Point 2. Use simple English. A1, A2 level is perfect. Point 3. Talk to yourself every day. This is powerful practice. Point 4. Mistakes are good. They help you learn. Point 5. Start small. Build confidence step by step. Point 6. Practice every day. Even 10 minutes helps. Point 7. Change your mindset. English is easy when you practice and try. Point 8. Be patient with yourself. Learning takes time. Point 9. Celebrate small wins. Be proud of your progress. Point 10. Never give up. You can do this. Write these points down. Read them every day. Remember them when you practice.
My friend, we're almost finished. But before we end, I want to tell you something important. You have everything you need to learn English. Everything. You have a brain that can learn. You have a voice that can speak. You have time to practice. The only question is, will you start? Will you try? I believe in you. I really do. You can think in English. You can stop translating. You can build confidence. You just need to believe in yourself and take action. Learning English is easy. Just practice and try. Remember that? Say it with me. Learning English is easy. I just practice and try. Good. One more time. Learning English is easy. I just practice and try. So here's my challenge for you. Today, right now, start talking to yourself in English. Just for 5 minutes. Describe what you see. Talk about how you feel. Use simple words, easy sentences. Tomorrow, do it again, 5 minutes. Then the next day, and the next day. Make it a habit. Make it part of your life. In 1 month, you'll be surprised. You'll start thinking in English naturally. Your confidence will grow. Your English will improve so much. Remember, you're not alone in this journey. Millions of people are learning English. You can do it too. You will do it. I'm proud of you for watching until the end. I'm proud of you for wanting to improve. Keep going. Keep practicing. Keep trying. You've got this, my friend. See you in the next episode. Until then, practice every day. Think in English. And believe in yourself. Good luck. And remember, learning English is easy. Just practice and try. Goodbye for now.